Welcome back to another video. So today I want to be showing you all of my new fidgets that I got yesterday and the day before that. And I also got a new box, so it's a little hard to open, but I got these little two squishies. It's a little dog. And then I got a little panda. And they stick together actually. And then I have this cute little llama. All of them are keychains. Has like soft padding inside. And then, oh, this one don't have a keychain though. It's this one, which I totally love because it's glittery. And it's a blue glitter, and then look, it's green when you pop up, but it also has the glitter when it also pops up. And then I got an infinity cube. And then also I got this miniature dog poppet. Here, I'll show you the clicks. And this was all at Five Below. But the infinity cube and the stuff that I'm about to show you right now is not at Five Below. It was online. I got a pop tube. This one's really hard, my purple one, but my orange one's not. I'll show you my orange one. But pop tubes are really loud. That's my purple one, orange one. I clicked them together like this. You can do that. So my orange one is way nicer, but I like the purple one just because of the color. And it's more girly than the orange one. And then, okay, so I got these. I don't know what they're called. I keep forgetting. But I got these. I'm trying to remember the name. Oh, bike chains. I got these bike chains. Some stick together like this. You make them stick together, and some don't stick together. Like, it literally just not sticking together for a minute. Here, I'll try to make it. There. And then it also can be like that. And it. And it also comes with this little package. And the pop tube and this thing that I just showed you and the infinity cube are online. Oh, and I got all of these mochis. Here, I even have more. Mochis. And this is all my other stuff. As you already know, I have the blue poppet and the unicorn puppet, but I make a video about like a candy puppet thing. I might. All my pictures just fell. I have like a camera and like those kind of pictures just fell. Okay. So I have to put this stuff back. I don't like putting stuff back. But I have to. And it is really easy. You just take these parts. You take one of them, and one's smaller than the other, so you take the big one, you put it over, and clicks. And then also, my cousin, she made this for me. My favorite kind of chips are Lay's, that's why. And basically, you take paper, you put, cut doll's hair, and you take like the pom-pom things and you put it in, and then put another layer of, I can't say anything, paper. You have to put another coat of paper and then tape it all around. And you can make your own design. So I'll show you my final reveal. This is my whole setup. I have to fix that. So I'm going to fix that right now. Hold on. Okay. So that's all for this video. Bye.